Is it morning already? I feel as lazy as a sloth on a Sunday afternoon. Oh, excuse me, brain blasters. I stayed up late reading about black holes, but wait, did you just yawn too? I saw that. Why is it that when one person yawns, everyone else starts doing it like a pack of sleepy dominoes? Is it a magic spell? Is it a secret signal? Well, don't fall asleep yet, because it's time for Brain Blast! Ah! First, what is a yawn? It's basically a giant super breath. When you're bored, your breathing slows down. A yawn is a big gulp of air. It's like your brain is hitting the refresh button on a computer to stay alert. Deep breath. Ah, that's better. So, why is it catchy? Inside your brain, you have special cells called mirror neurons. They are like tiny copycats. When you see someone yawn, these copycat cells tell your body to do the same. It's the brain's way of saying, I feel what you feel. It's not just humans. Dogs catch yawns from their owners. If you yawn in front of your puppy, there is a big chance he will yawn back. Chimpanzees, lions, and even birds catch yawns too. It's like a giant, worldwide sleepy party. So, if you see someone yawn, don't be mad. Their brain is just being a friendly copycat. Just remember to cover your mouth. Brain Blast fact. Did you know that babies start yawning even before they are born? Tiny babies yawn inside their mother's tummy. Wake up your brain and keep learning. I'll see you next time. Time for Brain Blast! Keep learning and stay curious. Hit subscribe and share the magic.